space they don't have at the moment.
Thank you very much. Next, Mrs. Yannakoudakis, ECR, has 2 minutes.
Thank you. There is a saying, less is more, and this is very appropriate for this report. There is much in the report to give credit for, but there is an equal amount I feel should not be tackled here but best dealt with at Member State level. Last week we held International Women's Day, and during the day a film called Made in Dagenham was played. Those of us who saw the film could not fail but be impressed by the women's struggle to gain equal pay and the demand for a level playing field in the workplace. 40 years on and women in Europe are still struggling for equality in certain areas of life. As a woman, I believe women have the right for real choices in their lives. As a Conservative politician, I have a duty to work towards this objective. I strongly support the calls in this report to put a stop to domestic violence and other crimes against women, including forced marriages and female genital mutilation. On the matter of forced marriages, I am proud that my government in the UK is looking to criminalise this cruel practice. But I do not believe that legislative quotas and rules in maternity leave should be made at EU level. Leave this to the individual Member States who know their men and women best. I admire the report's bold statements about same sex families and the right of lesbian and gay men as a further move towards equalities in all areas. With reference to the report on women in politics, I will be honest and open about the fact that in 2009, the European elections, the leader of my party imposed temporary positive measures to encourage and help women become MEPs. This experience taught me that positive measures work best when they are implemented at Member State level and on a temporary basis. The EU is not the right body to be making permanent legislation on quotas for our political parties, businesses or any other sector for that matter. It is with regret, therefore, I will be unable to support this report.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Yannakoudakis. Mr. Gustafsson, on behalf of the GUE Group, has 3 minutes.
Fru talman! Jag vill först tacka fru Intveld för en mycket bra rapport.
Thank you. I'd like to thank Mr. Infeld first for an excellent report. A whole series